When we say pay at risk, if I say that I'm offering you $120,000 salary as an example, of which 100,000 I pay you in your basic, 20,000 is variable. That 20,000 is at risk. I have no guarantee for you. Right? That's the concept of pay at risk. It can go up, it can go down based on individual, group, or company performance. Right? As a result of pay for performance systems in place, employees will demand greater transparency. So I want to know, right? When will I get my 20,000? Subject to what kind of conditions? At what levels of company performance will I not get my 20,000? What if the company exceeds a certain level? How would I know? How much more then can I get? These are all implications. So again, you see, we are always falling back to our philosophy around how we pay, how we communicate what we pay.